This is the pursuit of elite status. 1100 bully.
Seems like I'm bringing you out of retirement already.
What up?
It's raining again, and it's so hot.
Let's start. Let's zero out. Stop.
Take me away. Take me away.
Zero. Tracking. Tracking. Got a couple trucks down there. Kind of busy out there.
I'm ready to run. Send me now.
Go.
Wow, my bearings are very tractionally challenged. Remember that you are the best driver because you believe you are. This is your time. You are in the zone. You can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Philippians 4 verse 13.
Let's go.
Plexus diagnosis, no maintenance required. Good run, driver. Small blue sport utility vehicle impeding flow. Returning to start in 46 seconds. This score is going to bring JP back to the road for some action.
Good run.
The collective mechanism is operating at alacritous paces.
Good run. What'd you get? We are here. Big numbers today. Big numbers today.
Acceleration was absolutely meteoric.
Stop. Read. 175. Put you on the mark and let them know.
Welcome to the elite class of speed runners, driver.
That's it. I'm done for the day.